Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to check in on Royal Air Maroc. Step by step guide, let's get started. First guys, open your Google and search for Royal Air Maroc, as you can see here, and then click on this option, online check-in. When you click this option guys, you will see this page, online check-in. Just wait to open this website. From here guys, you have two options. You have booking number and you have ticket number. For booking number, write your last name, and this is my case, this is my last name, and then write your booking number. For example, this is my booking number. If you want to ticket number, just click ticket number and write your last name and write your ticket number from here and click go. From this option you can check in easily without any problem. So guys, this is how you can do. Write ticket number here, write last number name here, and click go option. So guys, this is how you can do. I have this guide helpful for you. Don't forget, give like and give share this video. Also you can write this option here, book a reference and your ticket number and last name, and click continue. So guys, I have this guide helpful for you. See you soon.